Hey guys, so what we're going to do today and reading, and for tomorrow we're kind of going to split it in half, is I went on a search through some of my, I think they're all science, through some of my science books because I have a lot, and I have found 5 books that show either description, sequence, compare and contrast, problem and solution, or cause and effect. So I found those 5 authors' text structures within these books, and I'm going to read a small part to you, and then you're going to have to tell me which text structure it is and how you know, just like you did with the cupcakes, those kind of little short passages. I just thought this would be more fun because you're going to learn a lot about different things in science and get to also work on your text structure. All right? So I'm going to mix them up. I don't know which order I'm going to go in. And we'll do maybe 3 today, and then we'll only do 2 tomorrow. Okay? We're not going to do them all today. All right. And I got to hide my sticky note because I wrote on my sticky note what they were. I can't show you that part. Okay. And I'm not going to read the whole book. I'm just going to read the part that shows that text structure because sometimes there's more than one text structure in a book. Alright, so this book is called Outside and Inside Spiders. Spiders are probably one of my favorite animals. Alright, let's look here. Okay, and I'm only reading this page, right down here. It says, first you need to know how to tell a spider from an insect. They often look similar at first glance, but they are not really alike. Look closely at the fishing spider, which is this one right here. Ooh, he's cool looking. All right, and the soldier beetle, this right here. One quick way to tell the difference is that spiders have 8 legs. Insects like the soldier beetle only have 6 legs. Spiders also never have wings. Many insects do. A spider's body has 2 main parts. Do you see them? Okay, so we have here, and then we have the back part there. The head and chest are joined into one big part which connects to the abdomen by a slim waist. An insect's body usually has a separate head, chest, and abdomen. So they have 3 parts. All right? So your job, that's all I'm reading to you of this book, is to tell me which text structure this is and how you know. Provide me some kind of proof. Okay? You could fill in the graphic organizer that goes with it. You could just explain to me how you know, but I need some kind of proof.